Hi guys, do you want to learn letter like me? Yeah, so let's go. Yellow color, green color, red color, light yellow color, brown color, blue color, purple color. A for alligator. B for hook. C for car. D for door. E for elephant. F for fish. G for glass. H for horse. I for ice. J for jam. K for kiwi. L for lunch. M for mouse. N for nest. O for onion. P for penguin. Q for quail. R for rabbit. S for sun. T for tiger. U for uniform. V for van. W for watch. X for X-ray fish. Y for yo-yo. Z for zip. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. Green color, blue color, yellow color, pink color, red color. Number 1. Number 1. Number 2. Number 2. Number 3. Number 3. Number 4. Number 4. Number 5. Number 5. Number Number 6. Number 6. Number 7. Number 7. Number 8. Number 8. Number 9. Number 9. Number 10. Number 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Thank you for watching. See you next video. Bye bye.